Dear students, today let's discuss some laws of exponents. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand about laws of exponents, different law of exponents. First law, multiplying powers with the same base. You see one example, 2 square into 2 cube. This is multiplication of exponents with the same base. Here the base is 2, here also 2. In this case, very easy we can find the answer. You just take the base and add the powers. That is 2 raised to 2 plus 3. That's equal to 2 raised to 5. Very simple. If the bases are same and the operation is multiplication, we add the exponents. We add the powers only 2 and 3. That is 2 plus 3, 2 raised to 5. Another one, 4 cube into 4 raised to 7. You just listen, bases are same and multiplication comes. So 4 raised to 3 plus 7, that's equal to 4 raised to 10. So in general, we can take A is the base, M and N are the powers. Then we can write A raised to M into A raised to N equal to A raised to M plus N. This is the first law of exponent. See some questions by using this law. First you consider this, you don't consider this example. Question B. Consider question B. A cube into A square. A cube into A square. Here the same base and multiplication. So we can write A raised to 3 plus 2. You can write A raised to 3 plus 2 or you can write A raised to 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here you can write A raised to 3 plus 2, A raised to 5. 7 raised to x into 7 square. We add these two powers, 7 raised to x plus 2. No need of writing any other answer, 7 raised to x plus 2. That is first law. Second law, dividing powers with the same base. Here, instead of multiplication, we have here division. When division comes with the same base, bases are same. That you remember, if the same base and the operation is division, then we can subtract the powers. 3 raised to 7 minus 4. 3 raised to 7 minus 4 is 3 cube. Next question, next example, 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 square. Same base, division. So 5 raised to 6 minus 2, 5 raised to 4. So in general, A raised to M divided by A raised to N equal to A raised to M minus N. Subtraction. Simplify. That is questions based on second law. 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10. You subtract the powers because division and same base. 6 raised to 15 minus 10, 6 raised to 5. 8 raised to t divided by 8 square. Subtract the powers. 8 raised to t minus 2. Next, taking power of a power. Third law, taking power of a power. Here, this is power of a power. 2 cube, that is 3 is the power of 2. And 2 is the power of 2 cube, that is power of a power. In this case, here we multiply the powers. That is 2 raised to 3 into 2. This is the third law. 2 raised to 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Very simple. You just multiply that two powers. 7 raised to 2. That is 7 square whole raised to 10 is 7 raised to 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is 20. 7 raised to 20. So in general, A raised to M whole raised to N equal to A raised to M into N. Some questions. 3 raised to 4 whole cube. We multiply these two. 3 raised to 4 into 3. 3 raised to 12. B question. 5 square whole cube. divided by 5 cube. First we convert this power of a power. 5 raised to 2 into 3 divided by 5 cube. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 cube. This is second law. Division with the same base. What will we do? Yes, we just subtract the powers. This is second law. That is 5 raised to 6 minus 3. That's equal to 5 cube. Okay. Next, multiplying powers with the same exponent. Here you can see the bases are different, but the powers are same. Powers are same. So in this case, we write like this. First we multiply bases, then write the common power. Only one power here. 2 into 3 whole raised to 3. This 3 is common for 2 and 3. Here you can see 3 is common for 2 and 3. So we should write a bracket there. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 cube. Another one, here also powers are same, 4 and 4. So we can write 4 into 3 whole raised to 4. That's equal to 12 raised to 4. Next questions based on this law. 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. 2 into 5 whole raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. A raised to 4 into B raised to 4. That is A into B whole raised to 4. A into B we know AB. A into B we can write AB. Either you can write like this or this one. Both are equal. AB raised to 4. So in general we can write like this. A raised to M into B raised to M. These are bases are different but the powers are same. AB. A into B is AB whole raised to M. In division also, here this is division. A raised to M by A, B raised to M. These are division. In this case, we write instead of A into B, we write A divided by B whole raised to M. Okay. Next, fifth law. Fifth law is very simple and very important. Numbers with the exponent 0. 5 raised to 0. We can see 5 raised to 0 is 0. Oh no. 5 raised to 0 is 1. This is the fifth law and very important law. Any number with power 0. Any number with exponent 0. The value must be 1. 34 raised to 0 equal to 1. 1000 raised to 0, 1. So in general, we can write A raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay. Next, we have to some questions. Simplify and express in exponential form. We have to write this in exponential form. But there is no exponential form of 4 and 32. These two are in exponential form. 3 is, we read it as 3 raised to 1. So, first we change 4 and 32, that is in exponential form. That we already studied. 4 we know 2 square. And 32. 32, exponential form of 32, we have to find by using this method. By prime factorization, we will get 2 raised to 5. So, instead of 32, we have to write 2 raised to 5. Instead of 4, we write 2 square like this. Now we rearrange these two. These are same base, 2, 2. So we rearrange them like this. 2 bases 2. Then 3 raised to 4 here. 3 into 2 raised to 5. No change. We know this is the first law. 2 cube into 2 square is the first law because bases are same and powers are different. So we add the powers. That is 3 plus 2. 2 raised to 3 plus 2 is 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 4 by 3 into 2 raised to 5. Now listen here. These are division. 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 5. Division. Second law. Here also 3 raised to 4 by 3. Division. So when division comes, we subtract the powers. That is 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 3 raised to 4 minus 1. This is division. You just rewind this video. Then you can understand it. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 raised to 0 into 3 cube. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 3 cube is 3 cube. Next B question. 5 square whole cube into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. This is power of a power. So we multiply these two powers. 5 raised to 2 into 3 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 4. Then by the first law, the same base multiplication comes. Then we add the powers. 5 raised to 6 plus 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then this is the second law. Same base and division comes. So we subtract the powers. 5 raised to 10 minus 7, that's equal to 5 cube. So last answer is 5 cube. So you remember all the laws. Power of a power, multiplication, division. Next, C question. 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0. This is 1, 1, 1. So we write like this. Answer is 1. Next is last question. 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. Instead of this, we use 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 is the answer. So, next you have one follow-up activity. Find the next number. Children, you watch the video again and again. Then only you can understand all the laws of exponents. Okay, children. Bye.